I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today.
It's gonna be hard to see them. Oh, they're in the outer area. That was Sammy jumping back there. Callie's out there by herself in front of that blue thing. So this front pack is like the young, active pack. And they usually see Callie's walking this way. She's like, what's going on, guys? And there's Baxter. So now they're going to talk to each other through the fence. But my babies are at their favorite place. They love Disneyland. They love it, love it, love it. Okay. Or maybe they are in there. Maybe they are in there. I can't tell. I can't tell. Hang on. No. There's a fence between them. But anyway, so my babies are at Happy Tails. Is their favorite place to come. I'm totally taking up another spot, so I got to move. Anyway, so Suzanne and I are going to eat today. We have our meeting today, and we go to Texas Roadhouse. So, so we will be at Texas Roadhouse for lunch. I usually bring my taco bowl today. You all know I love my taco bowl. But, hang on, we're going to come right here. We're not going out on the road. We're just on this little back area. Go get me in the shade, because your girl needs to be in the shade. She's a delicate flower. She's got some... Oh, I hate when it does this. Hang on. There. You know I'm a delicate flower. I don't like to be in the sun. But anyway, so Suzanne and I were going to eat today because we have our meeting. We get together once a month just because we're both co-directors, and it's a chance for us to get out of the office and just talk about things that are going on with the company, with the team, changes that might be coming, or just things that we need to look at together, which is so cool because, she's been with my co-director for 4 years, and before that I was just me for 10. So it's really such a blessing to have somebody that, we can talk things out with. Used to, I didn't have that. So I would have to just go into the team and be like, hey guys, this is the expectation. How in the world are we going to get it? You know what I mean? So it's such a blessing that, it's funny. God puts people in your life for a reason. And I really feel like, he's got Suzanne in my life for this season. I know she's going to school, but for this season to help me be a better supervisor. She also, challenges me in my thinking, in my faith, which is so cool. Not challenges like pushes or anything, but, we both think about things in a different way. I think of things from an emotional way, and she thinks of things from a more logical, practical way. So I find I find a lot of growth through her. And like I said, I feel like God, people are with us for a reason, for a season, or for life, or whatever. So, but anyway, so she's been a blessing. So we will go to, Texas Roadhouse. I got a tongue twister today. Texas Roadhouse. I was up till I won my match by default. He scratched on the 8 ball. No, yeah. So I'm like, oh, I kind of don't like to lose that way, and I don't like to win that way, but nobody wants to lose that way either. But it was a fun night. Had a great night. Like I said, I got home at 11, sometime after 11, which is early for pool. So, so that's what I know. But, all right, I love y'all, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Y'all already know I'm eating these nuts at Texas Roadhouse. Okay, I forgot to show you the salad, but I had a beautiful salad. And now I've got mixed veggies and a 6-ounce sirloin, so that's what I'm eating today. So there was a salad and nuts already. Woo, doggies. That was good. So usually I get the bigger, 8-ounce or 12-ounce sirloin. But I was budget friendly today, and I got the lunch special. It was the 6-ounce sirloin salad. I got ranch, I think is the one I got. And then mixed vegetables. So that's what I had for lunch. And
Y'all knew. Come on. You knew darn well that I was going to have me some nuts. If it's one of these steakhouses where they have nuts, yes, please. Anyway, so now our meeting's over and I'm going to head back. And, the dogs are at daycare, so they're having a fun time. So it means it's going to be a pretty peaceful evening tonight. And maybe kind of calm tomorrow. I got to go to Walmart tomorrow. I got a list of stuff I need to add to my to-do list. I did text my plumber guy, and I gotta remember to wax. I've purposely not been plucking and shaving. I'm thinking it's probably about 1/4 inch. So I also need to wax this weekend. And I buy it's the hard wax that from the beauty supply, and I have the warmer for it and everything. So I'll be doing that. I'll be waxing. What else? Hey, hang on, trying to make sure y'all are good and tight. Oh, shoot a monkey. I just unscrewed it. That's not too swift. Whew, it's hot. Anyway, so the Walmart tomorrow, wax my chin, set up my meds. I can't tell you what's on the list because it's on my phone, but I'll put it on my phone on my list when I get home. But that's what I know. I'll see you all later. It is gorgeous outside. Oh, my stars and garters. It'd be a great day to take a walk if you like the outdoors. We might later. Bye. Okay, my financial besties are going to be so proud of me. Well, not for this part. This was an impulsive purchase. It is pork belly. I wanted some pork belly. I was on TikTok and there was a video of somebody making a pork belly. I was like, and they boiled it and then they fried it. I'm like, I want it. So I just impulsively, now I know it'll come out of my tomorrow grocery budget. Anyway, all that to say, I was looking at my Walmart shopping list for tomorrow, and I was comparing the price of the pork steaks here at Sam's versus the prices over at Walmart. My Walmart has pork butts for $2.47 a pound. Sam's was $3.89 or $3.70. Anyway, it was like over $1 more. Hang on, 2 Prairieville financial advisors are sentenced in fraud case. Oh, snap. Anyway, so I did the responsible thing, and I checked on prices of the things I'm going to buy tomorrow while I was in. Oh, shoot a monkey, I didn't check the other price. Well, too late. I'm already in my car, and I got to go pick up my babies. I got to go pick up the babies, guys. Hang on, I got to fix this shirt. These stupid things have been, oh, shoot a monkey. They've been catching all day. Anyway, so yes, I did the financial responsible thing. Go Terri. You done good. And Walmart, my Walmart is cheaper than the Sam's for pork steaks. He said that and I said but the Walmart says pork butt, and these are pork shoulder, and he's like, really, this difference is ours comes from a Boston shoulder, and the other one's from a butt. And he said that also the difference is Sam's cuts theirs fresh. So I get it. If you want the freshest of the fresh, and you want to pay that $1 something more a pound, you rock on with your bad self. Now that I know, Terri knows, the thing that I'm getting is cheaper at Walmart, you can bet your bippy I'm going to Walmart. All right, I'll see you all. I got to go pick up the dogs. Bye. All right, I need y'all to babysit for me while I drive home. That's awfully loud. I need y'all to babysit for me. Can you see the babies? I just got them from daycare. Ain't that right, Sam and Joe? Hey, where's my kiss? These are my babies. We just got back from daycare, and Dad got my untied this whole stinking thing. Anyway, yeah. So now we gotta go home. Well, we gotta be careful because this is like gotta watch. Oh, there's a car coming. Gotta watch because I got precious cargo in here. I hear you, car. I hear you. Let's see. Goodness, there's a bunch of folks. Everybody's coming to get their babies. We're going up the street. Good. Now we got the clear way. We got the clear way, babies. They're ready to go home. I Baxter think he's on his deathbed. He's like, guys, it's 5:09, and I usually have my supper by 5:40. Mama is mistreating me, and I want to report her abuse to the Puppy Dog Hotline of America. I'm not to be fed anytime after 4:45. Anything after that is official Baxter abuse. What you think, girl? What you think, girl? Green light, green light, green light, green light. Well, what you doing there, Trigger? Come on. This person just sitting here, not doing a thing, and now I got to sit here. Now we both got to sit at the red light. Alright, well, anyway, I'll see y'all when we get home. Okay, so we're home. Let me tell you how much this boy right here, that one right there, I said to myself earlier, I said, all right, I'm going to eat in the kitchen, because that way when I'm done eating, we'll just go ahead and I'll go lay down, because he's going to be tired and he's going to be in a hurry to go lay down and stretch out. I said to myself, you know what? You are a grown woman and you are worrying about what your puppy dog wants you to do. And I said, yes, I am. And then I said, no, I'm taking back my life. If I want to sit here till doggone 6:30 instead of 6, I'm going to do it. I'm going to push the envelope. So, poop, I forgot my spoons. Hang on. I was so caught up with being a rebel and saying, you're not my supervisor. You ain't the boss of me, boy. I wear the boss. I wear the boss pants. I'm in charge in this house. I said, Callie. What was it I was just saying about wearing the pants? Hang on. Callie. Come on. Girl. I gotta go get her. Hang on. She's had a dog door since 2017. I brought her home. The day she come home, there was a dog door. And she's loved it. She's used it. No, ma'am. Don't you go back out there, ma'am. Callie, no, ma'am. You just get right over there on that couch and go. No, ma'am. No, don't you go back outside. These kids. That's why we can't have nice things. Anyway, it's a very dramatic night. So I made this for lunch today, forgetting that I was going out for lunch. And hopefully next Thursdays, Terri will remember. We have a work meeting, and we're going to a place called Broussard's. It's like a Cajun place, so some people get their étouffée. Some people like their, I don't know, some of them soups that they have. I just get, some people like the blackened chicken. Crawdads, crawfish, crawdads. We call them crawdads as kids, but I never ate one as a kid. But I used to see how they'd catch them around here. But it was just in this little creek. So we just walked down to the creek and tried to catch them. But anyway, I can't do it. I tried once. They just taste too fishy. You know I ain't about that fish life. All right. Now, this taco bowl is my cabbage salad, rutabaga, and onions with some peppers and tomatoes, some salsa, I used burgers instead of ground beef because that was defrosted enough with burgers. And did I say Greek yogurt? And a lot of seasoning because my mouth is on fire. I need some water so that my tongue don't burn. All right. Well, anyway, you people. Oh, yeah. I'm excited to try this. I've got that pumpkin caramel spice. I did a fall blend. So it's pumpkin spice, caramel pumpkin, whatever it is. It's got pumpkin, caramel, and spice in it. And pecan sticky bun. Y'all, I want to clean my palate for this. I broke my straw in the car. I don't know what I did, but I was going, and nothing was coming. I'm like, and like just a little drop, and I pulled it up, and I guess I had bumped across it, and it snapped my straw in half. Well, it's a good thing I went on Amazon because I had bought these cups at church, and the thing is, the straws that came with them, I was putting them in my silverware container. So they would be like, here's the silverware container, and they'd be kind of hanging over. Well, as it was being washed, they started bending and bending. Every time I washed them, they'd get more and more bent to where they couldn't even fit down in there very well. So I went on Amazon and found some straws that were the same length, and they worked well. But anyway, it's a good thing I did because I broke one of them things. So, all right. So this, I'm so excited. So pumpkin and pecan sticky bun. It tastes like a it tastes like a pumpkin, like a pumpkin flavored, like a treat, like a pumpkin flavored bun. My bestie's calling. I gotta go. I love y'all. See you tomorrow. Bye. I'm so excited. I found a show called Cold Case Files. I think I used to watch these. And Murdoch Mysteries, Cold Case Files Classic, Forensic Files, The PJs. I used to love that cartoon. It's Eddie Murphy is the voice. Archer, Yes Please. The movie Titanic. The movie Life. I saw this movie Caroline. I think I've seen it years and years and years ago. Lost Boys. Oh my gosh, yes. Only thing missing I didn't see is Young Guns. Don't think I won't be looking for that. Friday, my big fat American Gypsy Wedding, and Gypsy Sisters. But let's go see if, come on now, let's see if Young Guns, oh my goodness. Okay, I got it. Oh, corn flat, but I gotta clear it out. Ugh, trash. Okay, now let's try it over. Y-O. If y'all see it, let me know. U-N. Where's the G? G. And I go all the way back down here. Space. G. U. Okay, let me see. Let me just get it all out. G-U. N-S. All right, so Wyatt Earp. Let me see which movie that is. The Young Riders. What's that about? What is that one about? Yeah, that ain't them. Nope, it ain't the same. Hold up. Hang on. 2018. Nope, not the same. Well, poop. That's all right. I won't cry. But yeah, that's another movie I love. Anyway, so I'm excited. So, yeah, I found my Gypsy Sisters and I'm about to watch it right now. My big fat Gypsy, shut up, y'all. I can't say it. Big fat American Gypsy Wedding. Yes, please. Okay. Hang on. Let me get down here. I'm going to go season 1, episode 1. All right. Love y'all. Bye.